With nearly one fatality every 3 days involving material handling equipment, one thing is clear. Businesses need to find a better way to improve productivity, control costs, and protect the safety of their most valuable asset, their people. These days, costs are rising, and the pace and volume of business is increasing, and everyone is trying to do more with less, which means too often safety gets compromised until after an incident occurs. If you're being held back by manual, error-prone processes and disparate systems that don't provide the visibility and insights you need, it's time to turn chaos into clarity. Powerfleet's purpose-built solutions for warehouses and manufacturing facilities are revolutionizing fleet operations for organizations of all sizes and helping bring safety to the forefront. Imagine being able to connect all of your powered industrial vehicles of any make, model, and type to a single OEM-agnostic platform that delivers the real-world, real-time data you need to understand driver performance and highlight opportunities for coaching, use forensic data to reconstruct safety incidents, and proactively map high-risk areas and activities to prevent future incidents. Improve maintenance and performance with the ability to monitor equipment usage, forecast proactive and preventative maintenance, and avoid downtime and unnecessary costs. Smartly utilizing and extending the life of your resources is just the beginning. Powerfleet solutions for warehouses and manufacturing facilities can also help you harness the power of AI and automation to reduce risk and meet health and safety compliance requirements. You'll also eliminate the need to access multiple systems. With Powerfleet, you'll gain data insights from a single source to enhance safety, improve equipment utilization, ensure compliance, and lower costs. When a 1-second error can mean the difference between a near miss or a serious injury, you need the most advanced, accurate safety solutions working for your team. Save lives, time, and money with Powerfleet solutions for warehouses and manufacturing facilities. Find out more at powerfleet.com.